Keeping your eyes on the road. We all think we do that whenever we drive. But how often do you check your speed, talk on the phone, or look at the navigation screen? A new portable head-up display, HUDWAY Drive, helps you stay connected and informed while keeping your focus on the road ahead. The head-up display projects a full-color image onto a transparent lens, adjusted to fit your line of sight. The image looks like it's floating above the hood. It gets data directly from your car using OBD port, and it's also wirelessly connected to your phone, which lets you stay connected while driving with both hands on the wheel. HUDWAY Drive lets you keep tabs on some of the most important elements of driving. A digital speedometer helps you keep an eye on your speed and limits without looking down. Turn-by-turn navigation is guiding you using an intuitive live 3D map, giving hints on your next maneuver, along with your estimated arrival time based on current conditions, including traffic. Having front-facing camera, it will recognize and alert you when you're tired, falling asleep, or being distracted. Remote control with physical buttons, which are always at your fingertips, provides great user experience with no distractions. Receiving messages and phone calls has never been safer while driving. Listen to your incoming messages and see photos and names of your contacts. As you receive phone calls, swipe to accept and talk hands-free. The display can be adjusted for brightness and dim automatically, so it's easy to use day or night. HUDWAY Drive is a head-up display for any car that connects your car and your smartphone to keep you focused on what really matters when you're driving, on the road ahead.